Hi, I'm Jamie from Synapptic, and today I'm going to run through unboxing and powering up your new Synapptic phone.
Let's begin. After you place your order for your new phone, it should arrive within 3 to 5 working days. It will be delivered in a shipping bag containing this cardboard box. To start, open the shipping bag and remove the brown packaging tape from the box. Inside the box, you will see your delivery note, your order receipt, your eligibility declaration, which you will need to fill out and send back in the prepaid envelope to confirm your eligibility for VAT relief. Important information regarding passwords and usernames we use to set up the phone, and finally the Synapptic Getting Started manual, which includes key information about using your phone. Next, remove any packaging paper from the box and your Synapptic phone. Today, we will be unboxing a new Synapptic phone.
Synapptic sells a large range of phones and tablets. Today, we are unboxing one of our mid-range phones. For more information about our latest devices, please visit our website. Details can be found in the description below.
Next, the phone comes in a small rectangular box. To open, cut the Synapptic seals on the bottom edges of the box. Then, slide the bottom of the box out as shown. Keep the packaging in case you ever need to send it back. In the top half of the box, there is a small cardboard box with a SIM key used for unlocking the SIM tray. Inside the box is a USB Type-C charging cable.
Please note that Samsung no longer provide a mains charger to cut down on electrical waste, so you will need to use one from a previous device or purchase a new one from our website.
Now, let's run through the key exterior features of the phone. On the back of the phone, there is a rear camera. On one edge of the phone, there are 2 buttons. A larger button for turning the volume up and down, then a smaller button for turning the phone on and off. On the other edge of the phone is a SIM card tray, which can be opened using the SIM card key. Inside the SIM card tray are spaces for the SIM card and also for an SD card for additional storage. We provide a SIM card with £10 of credit so you can make texts and calls straight away. This card can be replaced with an existing SIM card if needed. On the bottom edge of the phone, there is a small socket where the charging wire plugs in. Now, to turn on the phone, hold down the power button on the edge of the phone and wait for around 3 seconds or until you feel a small vibration. When the phone turns on, Synapptic will launch automatically.
Synapptic phone main menu, page 1 of 5.
So, today we've run through unboxing your new phone, what's inside the box, and the external features of the phone. Hopefully, you're now a bit more familiar with your new Synapptic phone. If you've enjoyed the video today, please like and subscribe. And for more information, call us on 0191 909 7909 or visit our website at www.synaptic.com. A link can be found in the description below. Thanks for watching.